Well, good morning, guys. This is another episode of Just a Guy in His Garage, and we are back again, believe it or not, with this noise coming from the wheel. This creaking, severe creaking noise, which I thought originally, a week ago, when I changed the upper control arm, would have fixed the problem. And in my second video, I changed it, went for a drive test, drove it, no sound. And I thought I had got the problem, but unfortunately, it only lasted one day, and now, unfortunately, this is back. So, today's job for me is to take the wheel off again, take a look at the upper control arm, just make sure it's fine. It is brand new. And took a look at maybe the strut and the outer tie rods. As for that, I have booked another appointment with another garage to see if they can actually diagnose the issue. If I can't get to the root cause today, I will attempt it, see what happens, see what I find, take some more video and keep you guys updated. But this is really frustrating and really annoying, and this is just boggling my mind. So we'll see what happens, and see you soon. And like I said, I'll be taking more video and see what I find out. Cheers. Okay, back again. So I have removed the strut from the front driver's side of my 2006 Honda Accord. Once again, severe creaking on the front suspension. Can't diagnose, can't find out where the heck this noise is coming from. Some of the things I've done so far just inside the wheel well here is take some silicone lubricant and sprayed it on the bushings where I could, just to cover my bases. There's the new strut that I replaced. You can see or hear there is nothing squeaking from there. Ball joint seems to be moving fine. Well, it is. No squeaking there, even though, well, it's hard to tell because nothing's under compression right now. So that's what I've done so far in the wheel well and bushings. Come over to the strut. Here it is. Here I cleaned it up just to make it a little bit more presentable for video. I cleaned the spring up, cleaned all the grime off. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. I don't see any visual damage. Don't see anything out of the ordinary except just wear and tear. It is, after all, a 2006, so I do expect rust in certain areas, so which is fine. So I did, once again, take this lubricant, 3-in-1 silicone. Some of the key areas I sprayed around, just covering everything down in here. Might not mean anything, but whatever. Who knows? Cleaned all this out in here, sprayed deep down in there. Lifted the boot up here to get to where the piston is. Kind of hard, but I'm sure you guys get the gist. Let's see if I can get it. There it is, sprayed in there. Sprayed up inside. And yeah, just finishing stuff up right now, just finishing the cleaning. And after I'm done that, I'll put the strut back in and we will see if that makes a difference. I'll go for a test drive. If it doesn't make a difference, after a day or so or whatever, I do have an appointment booked with another mechanic to see if he can help me diagnose where this creaking noise is coming from. It's driving me crazy. So that's where I am with that. And once I come back, the strut should be back in and we'll take it for a test drive. Oh, and also another thing, just cleaning up the wishbone here, cleaning up the inside, any debris, you know, just making sure everything's nice and clean. Cleaning off any loose rust, any burrs, anything like that, using a file, using some sandpaper. Once again, showing its age, but you know, nothing out of the ordinary, no cracks, no breaks, nothing really out of the ordinary that I'd be too concerned about looking at this wishbone right now. So I'll keep going on, cleaning and putting everything back together. Okay guys, back again. Got everything back together. Wishbone is in, torqued to spec. There it is there, put everything back. One thing I have to do right now is go up to the top and put the remaining bolts on there. torqued him the spec. 214s, or sorry, 314 mils and 212 mils. Got to put back on there. So far so good. Once again, yeah, there's the upper control arm and the strut. So just do some finishing touches here now. Take it for a spin, and we'll see if that makes a difference. I've been driving the car for 10 minutes now, and relief to my ears, I have not heard any creaking noise or anything. So turning the steering wheel even slightly, usually it would creak a lot when just jerking it like this. I don't hear anything. So the sound has gone. Conclusions. Was it the strut? Was it me cleaning all that debris out and lubricating it with a silicone spray? Maybe. Your guess is as good as mine right now. So the best test right now is just to I'll be driving for a day or so. Hopefully it won't come back in one day like it did last time. So just to recap what I did, took the strut out, driver's side on my 2006 Honda Accord 2.4 liter. Cleaned it all off, took all the debris out, top to bottom, inside, lubricated everything with the silicone spray, the lubricant, cleaned up the wishbone a little bit, took any burrs off, any rust, just cleaned that up. Nothing was cracked on the wishbone, strut looked okay, spring looked okay. Only suspicion is maybe the piston on the inside of the strut might be wearing out, or the seals. I don't know. I did spray some, like I said, silicone inside there. Cleaned everything up, retorqued everything to spec, and once again, I'm just sitting in my driveway. You can hear there's nothing. Can't hear anything. So we'll see what happens, and I'll make another video. Thanks guys for watching. Once again, know there's a lot of people having this issue out there, so enjoy your comments, suggestions, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, really do appreciate it. And cheers from Canada, Ontario. Talk to you later. See you in my next video.